Ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again to the Lockjaw Manufacturing Arena, where we are set for round 3 of the Brinks versus Master Lock Showdown. This round 3 tail of the tape is brought to you by Wexford. When you need pads that are yellow, think of Wexford for all your yellow pad needs. Brinks, in this round of weather-resistant padlocks, brings the model 162-42051 versus the Master 312D. Both bring 4 pins, much of the same crap with the cutting resistance and prying resistance. Still spring-loaded locking lug from Brinks. Still a ball-bearing locking mechanism from Master. Brinks is again made in China, but packaged in the United States. Master is again assembled in Mexico with US and global components. One new wrinkle, Brinks may contain lead. Will that affect them in this match? Let's find out. For this round, we have replaced the rope from last round because it broke. This one shouldn't break. This is mule tape and is rated for, I believe, 1,200 pounds. Also in this round is a new knife that I suspect may have belonged to a stripper at one point. Nonetheless, let's begin. Brinks, we'll start again with you. Come on, Brinks. You're down by 2 rounds. Can you hear the crowd? They're going wild. Oh, that may have been the longest Brinks has lasted so far. Let's see how Master does in response. It's actually kind of hard to get at. Interesting. Yeah, Master is sneaky with this rim here. It's really hard to get tensioner in there. Oh, I don't know. Just to keep things interesting, Brinks wins this round. Going to the judges' scorecards for the official decision this round by a narrow margin, the winner is Brinks. And the loser, unfortunately, is Master. Thank you for playing. Outro. This is the mother... Well, let's keep this PG. This is the mother humping outro. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you all have a very nice day.